practically brand new and upgraded townhome in the sought-after gated golf community of Eagle Creek. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath and unit is tastefully updated with granite counters, center island with farmhouse-style sink, 42 cabinets and a huge walk-in pantry. Open concept for family room and an amazing wood accent wall with electric fireplace. Upstairs master retreat features a beautiful wood accent wall, great walk-in closet, and suite with dual sinks and walk-in shower. Secondary rooms are generous in size and great natural lighting. Laundry room is upstairs and super convenient. 2-car garage features built-in hanging shelving. Brick paver patio and driveway. This end unit provides incredible natural lighting. Features of Eagle Creek include a beautiful community pool and tot splash area, fitness center, clubhouse, tennis courts and playground. Golf course community and tons of sidewalks for long walks jogs. Conveniently located in Lake Nona Medical City, you are zoned for excellent schools, minutes to Nemours Children's Hospital, the VA hospital and all that is calling Lake Nona home. If you travel, OIA is only a 10-minute drive. About a 30-minute drive to the Space Coast. Enjoy maintenance-free living.